Our vision as Workforce Group is to be the leading provider of employer-centric staffing solutions within our markets. Our business we were established in 1972 by our current chairman, Ronnie Katz. So we've been in business for 43 years. We believe we've matured our business model, our processes and our systems. We currently serve pretty much the major sectors of the South African economy through a branch network of 150 branches, and we currently extending that branch network into sub-Saharan Africa. At any point in time, we service and administrate approximately 26,000 assignees spread across a vast array of clients. Our results ending June 2014 for the 6 months are pleasing. Consolidated revenue has increased by 12% to 872 million rand. Gross margins have remained pretty consistent at 22%, and operating expenses increased marginally by 4.1%. Earnings before interest, tax and depreciation, as adjusted for continued operations, closed at 38.4 million rand, an increase of 51% on the previous period last year. Our continued focus on working capital management has resulted in a reduction in our debtors days to 49 days as compared to 51 days in the same comparative period last year. Cash flows from operating activities improved marginally to 5.5 million rand. Net interest-bearing debt remained static at 199 million rand. Interest cover, however, was positive and sitting at 4.5 times earnings. As a result of this, our earnings per share increased to 9.6 cents per share. Our results for the first 6 months, like we said, have been positive. We believe that the next 6 months will follow this trend. Our business is growing. Our core business is growing specifically within South Africa, and we've made substantial inroads into sub-Saharan Africa, where the market, specifically in the area of projects, is considerable for us. Our training business is also gaining a lot of leverage, feeding into the government's requirements around skills development. We continue to take advantage of this, and we continue to expand on that capability. Employee tax incentive and other training incentives that are being put in place by government to stimulate youth employment is something that the group is playing a major facilitative role in. We see ourselves continuing to play a bigger role in this process, and we believe that the benefits accruing from this will become more and more material as we roll these projects out further on into our client base.